Today we want to analyze the scenario of getting $100,000. For example, if you have $10,000 today, how long does it take to make $100,000 if the bank is paying 5% interest rate? 5% is possible today because the Federal Reserve is setting the Fed rate to be 4% now. Let's find the answer in Excel. The investment currently have is $10,000. And of course, you need to change it to a dollar. The target amount you want to accumulate is 100,000. Of course, you want to set it to dollars. The negative $10,000 just means that you need to pay $10,000 in the beginning. The positive $100,000 just means that you would like to receive $100,000 in the future. So the interest rate is 5%. Find the number of years. You just need to use the amperes function. The interest rate is 5%. PMT would be 0 because there's no PMT. Present value would be negative 10,000 and future value would be 100,000. So it means that if you constantly receive 5% every year, you are going to need 47 years in order to reach the $100,000 benchmark. Let's ask another question. If I need 100,000 in 10 years, what rate of return is required? Of course, we still assume that we have $10,000 today. To get the required rate of return, we just need to use the rate function. So the ampere is number of period, which is 10 years. We want $100,000 in 10 years. And PMT is the payment per period. That would be 0 because we are not paying every year. That would be 0. PV would be the present value today because we have $10,000 today. Then that would be negative 10,000. And future value would be the target. Target would be 100,000. Get more decimal place. It means that if you want to have 100,000 in 10 years, if you only have $10,000, you need to have 25.89% of return every year, compound geometrically over the 10-year period. That's it for today. Thank you.